In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced checklists in Trello. Trello is a powerful project management tool that helps you stay organized and collaborate with your team. One of its standout features is the ability to create detailed checklists within your cards, which can make tracking tasks and deadlines a breeze. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of adding and customizing advanced checklists in Trello so you can take your task management to the next level. Whether you're working solo or with a team, these steps will help you stay on top of your projects efficiently. First, you'll need to make sure you're subscribed to Trello's premium plan. This feature is only available to premium users, so if you're not already subscribed, you'll need to upgrade your account. You can find the upgrade option directly in your Trello settings. If you're new to Trello, you can register for an account using the link in the description below. Once you're all set with Premium, go to the card where you want to add an advanced checklist. Simply navigate to your desired board. Find the card and click on it to open it. This will bring up all the options and details for that specific card. Next, look for the Add button within the card's options. It's typically located toward the bottom of the card interface. Click on Add, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the Checklist option. This will allow you to begin creating your checklist. Now, it's time to give your checklist a title. A good title will help you keep things organized, especially if you plan to add multiple checklists within the same card. For example, you might name it Weekly Tasks or Project Milestones. Type your chosen title into the provided field, and once you're happy with it, confirm to create the checklist. If you already have an existing checklist that you'd like to reuse, Trello makes it easy to copy items over. You'll see an option to copy items from an existing checklist. Simply select the checklist you want to duplicate, and Trello will automatically import those items for you. If you don't want to copy from another checklist, just skip this step and start fresh. To add new items to your checklist, type each task or step into the provided field. After typing an item, hit Enter or click the Add button to include it in your checklist. You can continue adding as many items as you need, one at a time, until your checklist is complete. Now, here's where the advanced features come into play. Hover over any checklist item, and you'll notice two icons appear to the right, the calendar icon and the member icon. These are what make Trello's checklists so powerful and collaborative. When you click the calendar icon, you can set a due date for that specific checklist item. This is especially useful for breaking down deadlines within a larger project. Select the date and time that works best, and Trello will add it to your calendar and reminders. Next, click the member icon to assign the checklist item to a team member. This ensures everyone knows exactly who is responsible for each task. Simply choose the team member from the list, and their name will be attached to the item. This is a great way to improve accountability and keep your team aligned. And that's it. By following these steps, you can create detailed, organized, and collaborative checklists in Trello to help streamline your workflow. If you're not using Trello yet, don't forget to check out the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.